Service Partner and Service Scheduling. Choosing a service partner will allow you to activate the service scheduling function and also to request a service appointment. To select your service partner, click on the Service Partner tile. Here, you can find service partners that are located in your desired location. When you choose the service partner, select which vehicles you want to be assigned to this partner and activate the service scheduling function. This will ensure you that your service partner is notified by your car about mandatory service visits. Then, press Save. Once you activate the service, you will be contacted by your selected service partner. You can also choose your service partner in the application. To activate the service scheduling function, please go to the tile called My Service Partner. Tap on the option button in the upper right corner, Service Scheduling, and Activate.